Welcome to AlphaCars and Ural of New England. Today we have two exciting gear ups in front of us. We're actually going to be focusing on the Sahara model here to the right. This is a 2023 model and it is pre-owned. In this video we're going to go over its very nice condition and learn why it offers such a great value compared to buying a new one. Let me tell you a little bit about this new gear up on the left here though. This is a 2025 model and we have accessorized this one. We're calling it our Classic Series as it does have some nice touches like the retro lighting kit with the round lighting. It's got the wooden floor mat there. It has quite a few accessories that come standard on the previous model Retro Classics, and that's why we're calling it our Classic Series here. So there will be an exciting video just all about this bike, and it'll be linked in the description for you to watch later. But as I mentioned, this is a pre-owned Sahara model. It's only got 2,000 miles on it, and we originally sold it to the one owner who had it. We originally uncrated, assembled this bike, and built it, and it actually came back to us for the first service as well, which was done on time at around 300 miles. This bike offers a great value compared to buying new, as you're gonna save a few $1,000s over buying a new one. And from 2023 to 2025, the gear ups really didn't change. It's the same bike, so you're not really missing out on any improvements over, not getting a 2025. This one does have a balance of the factory warranty left as well, and it's all in really nice condition, both mechanically and cosmetically. And you can view all these specific tire and brake readings and remaining life on our website, alphacars.com, on our listing for this Sahara. But just taking a look at it here, it's got the powder-coated drivetrain, which everything's in really nice condition. The bike as a whole is really nice, of course, with the low mileage and on-time service. Even look at the rims there. Factory tuned to one exhaust system. This we can see has the CV axle, which is a awesome major improvement the gear ups had. And this one does have it. Now wrapping around to the sidecar, we can see it does have a couple little plugs here. It did have a sidecar windscreen mounted on the front there. So there's just a couple of plugs as we have removed it. And it did have a full metal fairing as well. Let's actually take a look at these parts that are included with the Sahara for no extra cost. So we've got a factory metal fairing there in the matte black. These are really hard to find. Ural discontinued these, they don't make them anymore. So whatever's left is what's left. So this is included with it. And also we can see the sidecar windscreen there with the specific mounts to put it on the sidecar tub where it was. And as you can see very neatly, all the hardware for both of these things, they come with it. We can see right there, it has the bolts and stuff taped right there. But anyway, as we just saw, some really nice valuable accessories that come with the Sahara as well, which further enhance the value of this bike. Let's look in the sidecar tub here. It all looks great, super clean. And we can open up the trunk. And if we do that, we've got the factory toolkit there, as well as this was the apron or an apron for that sidecar windscreen that is included. And we have the owner's manual for it as well. And this does have the tie downs in the trunk as one of the accessories installed. And I believe the other one is the USB charger here. This also has the gas tank storage compartment, a really nice option. Perfect size for like your keys and phone and wallet while you're riding. And before I start it up here and ride it around the building so we can see it in action, just one more kind of walk around of the bike. Of course, the Sahara colors, these really don't stick around. As soon as we get these, they tend to sell fast. It's such a popular color, and of course, That sort of Sahara desert sand color does look stunning, especially compared to all the black accents on the bikes. And now let's start it up. It is a cold start. As you can see here, I'll put my fingers right on the header. And all we have to do is hit our starter button. Starts right up, runs super smooth. You can see the exhaust nice and clean. And yeah, really such a great value. If you hear any squeaking, it is the mail van there. It is not the Ural. So now I'm gonna do a couple laps around the building with the bike. I'm gonna have Justin, my coworker, grab the camera, and we'll see the Ural gear up in action. Okay, I've got the camera to Justin now. I had to go grab him, so I did shut off the bike, but we'll start it back up. Goes right into gear. And I'll do a couple circles around Justin here. Do a little figure eight. Turning circles pretty tight. Smooth shifting. All right, so I'm still in second gear. Go down to first. Come to a stop. Clutch is super smooth, grabs as you would expect. And the brakes work good as well. So if you aren't interested in the Sahara, send us an email, give us a call, and we can talk to you about it if it is still available. As I mentioned, these Sahara bikes, they really don't stick around long. They are very popular, as of course it is a stunning color on the Ural. So this has been Ian and Justin reporting from our Boxborough location. Please leave a like on the video if you enjoyed this little look around of the Ural. We do have other more in-depth videos on the Urals. If you want to learn more about these bikes, just go to our YouTube channel, check out, I believe we have a Ural motorcycle playlist. This was more of a condition overview since this bike is for sale. But like I said, check out our other Ural content where you can learn a lot of nitty-gritty information on these really cool sidecar bikes. But subscribe so you don't miss out on future content, and I'll see you in the next one.